Here's the news of the day. Doroni Aerospace secured a $30 million investment from Kingdom Aero Industries to accelerate H-1X eVTOL development, with plans for global production in Saudi Arabia by 2027. Switlik Survival Products has appointed Kenneth Fisher as first responder and professional rescue sales manager, leveraging his public safety expertise to enhance life-saving solutions. Safran Defence and Space will provide advanced flight testing solutions for Bell's FLRAA aircraft, supporting the U.S. Army's next-generation vertical lift program. Halo Flight has become the first U.S. HEMS operator to install GPMS's Foresight MXH UMS on its Bell 407 GXI, enhancing safety and reliability. Go Aero has awarded $500,000 to 25 teams advancing in its emergency response flyer competition, with support from NASA, Boeing, RTX, and Honeywell. Springfield, Ohio, will host the Pulitzer Electric Aircraft Race in October, reviving the historic 1920s competition to showcase global electric flight innovations and AAM progress. Lilium Aerospace has filed for insolvency after failing to secure new funding, halting operations, and ending restructuring efforts despite previous attempts to secure financial support. Terradynamics secured a $4.65 million contract expansion with NAWCAD to develop and test the P-5 Transwing UAS, designed for long-range autonomous ship-to-ship and ship-to-shore cargo deliveries. Jackson Square Aviation has retired Scope 3 emissions credits with Future Energy Global, supporting sustainable aviation fuel adoption to help accelerate the industry's path to net zero emissions by 2050. Texas lawmakers are considering a $350 million investment to create a dedicated aerial firefighting fleet, aiming to reduce reliance on federal resources amid growing wildfire threats. To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.